In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Figma design to Bubble. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So, importing your designs from Figma to Bubble can streamline your app development process significantly, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, head over to the Community section in Figma. You can easily find this by navigating to the Figma homepage and looking for the Community tab on the left side. The Community section is where many designers share their resources, and for our needs, we're looking for a specific tool to help with this process. Next, once you're in the Community section, use the search bar to look for the Figma to Bubble.io converter. This is an essential tool that will assist you in importing your designs. Just type it in and hit enter. You'll find various resources, but we need to be selective here. As you scroll through your search results, look for the Figma to Bubble.io converter, Framify.io. This is the plugin we will be using to perform the integration. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can get more information about the plugin and its features. Now, once you're on the Framify.io page, look for the button that says Open In. Clicking this will prompt Figma to open the plugin directly in your design file. This is a critical step as we need the plugin to be ready when we import our design to Bubble. After this, you'll be prompted to select the project you want to access the plugin in. Make sure to choose the correct project because this is where your design will be imported. Take a moment to double-check before moving on. Now we're getting closer. The next step is to click on the Run button within the plugin. This will initiate the conversion process, allowing the plugin to fetch your design elements and prepare them for Bubble. You should see a loading bar, which indicates that your design data is being processed. Just give it a moment and don't close the window. Once the process is complete, the plugin will let you know, and you'll need to take one last important action. You will be instructed to paste your token from Bubble. The token is like a key that allows your design to be securely transferred into the Bubble app environment. So make sure you have copied your token from your Bubble account beforehand. After you paste your token, it's time to hit the Continue button and make any adjustments or edits you want in Bubble. This is where the real magic happens. You can fully customize and enhance your design within the Bubble platform. And that's it. You've successfully imported your Figma design into Bubble. This process opens up a wealth of possibilities for app development, allowing you to bring your design visions to life effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful,